MeghalayaPost.news.
Banang persutu ikipai bat nong nong Khubor district baru ikan jelahi berkawai. Halor kajing koridor ban Ïada Ïaka Mariang nam benta kapateng kaban sawan bat kalong ru si benta kajing rakhe kasni kerpang jong ka Mariang ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School nongpoh benta kasni ila pulong dakarali bicycle kabalong katong ban yalap sikipai ba mangidon kam ban Ïada Ïaka Mariang hakane karali bicycle la cimentaru dagi kena school balakot adu sanpong utam habala sedang na ka school Alpha shadu ka office agriculture bat 15 yang ka plau jong ka school ia kane kajingnya rally ki bicycle la wan ban kawe lama dau officer in charge ka nongpoh traffic branch Urubul Ali bat ladon karu kakong WK bla kabadi ke principal lem bakinoy kai bat kena school.
We from the Alpha School, the teachers and the 50 numbers of students, we are going to take part in the World Environment Day. This is one of the very big program that all over India, not only in India but in the entire world, people are celebrating the Environment Day, because the environment is one of the most important factors to have a good life and safe life, peaceful life in our planet Earth. So we from the Alpha School, Alpha English Higher Secondary School, with the students, we are going to organize a small cycle rally just to bring awareness among the people with the help of the slogans. You can see here, like there are some slogans we have written here, like do not pollute, I will salute, I will respect all the people of the Nongpoh area and the entire Khubor district, to see that do not make any pollution in the near the roadside or anywhere in your vicinity of your house or the village. Plus we are taking this as a rally to tell the people that join the race to make the world a better place for everyone to live peacefully here with a neat and clean environment, a healthy environment. Plus cycle rally will also give you an example that it is to maintain your fitness, because to maintain a good environment the fitness is very important. So through this rally we are giving message to the people that let us all together join hand together to protect our environment. So happy World Environment Day to all the people of Meghalaya and all over India. Have a good wishes to all the students who are taking part in this rally, and we also thank all the parents who are present here cooperating in this rally to make this rally a successful, and through them also we can pass this message to the people about our environment, how we can protect our environment. Plus we also thank our police department for cooperating, giving us security for the students, so that through the service road we'll move from school to the sericulture office. From the sericulture office we'll take a U-turn, and from there we'll move on till DC office. So on this way to cycle riding, our main intention is to give an awareness or the message to the people that let us all together help to keep our environment clean and green. Thank you very much.
MeghalayaPost.news.